Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're covering an important topic for anyone interested in working temporarily in the UK, the UK Seasonal Worker Visa for 2025. The UK government has confirmed the 2025 Seasonal Worker Visa allocation, offering 45,000 visas for temporary agricultural work in the horticulture and poultry sectors. If you're curious about short-term work in the UK, particularly in agriculture or other seasonal sectors, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. We'll cover the latest announcements, who can apply, what types of jobs are available, how to apply, and average salary. Let's dive in. The UK government has recently announced that it will grant 45,000 seasonal worker visas in 2025 to address labor shortages in the agriculture and poultry sectors. You may check shortage list from this link. With 43,000 visas allocated for horticulture and 2,000 for poultry, this decision aims to support the UK's food production industry while encouraging innovation and automation. This visa allows foreign workers to fill temporary, high-demand roles in sectors like agriculture and poultry production. For 2025, the UK has adjusted its allocation for these visas to support industries needing seasonal labor at peak times, ensuring a smooth process for employers and workers alike. So, what is the seasonal worker visa? It's a temporary visa allowing individuals from outside the UK to work there for a limited time. This visa addresses seasonal labor needs and is popular in industries like agriculture, where demand rises during certain times of the year. However, it's important to know that this visa is temporary and doesn't lead to permanent residency in the UK. For 2025, the UK has allocated a set number of seasonal worker visas. This allocation is divided across sectors such as agriculture and poultry production, with a majority going to fruit and vegetable picking and flower growing. These allocations are designed to meet industry needs and ensure sufficient labor during peak times. Average salary bar wage between 25,000 and 40,000 pounds approximately. Now, let's talk about who can apply. The seasonal worker visa is open to individuals aged 18 or older who are interested in short-term work in the UK. Applicants must have a job offer from a licensed UK employer who will act as their sponsor. Additionally, there may be requirements like passing a tuberculosis test if you're from a certain country. The seasonal worker visa allows you to stay and work in the UK for up to 6 months. This period depends on the specific job and the employer's requirements. Remember, this visa is strictly for temporary work and does not allow you to extend your stay or switch to another visa type from within the UK. Horticulture. Seasonal workers can be employed for up to 6 months for fruit picking, vegetable harvesting, and flower picking related tasks. Poultry. Temporary employment in poultry is limited to the period from October 2nd to December 31st each year. Applications for the 2025 seasonal worker visa are expected to open early in the year. Exact dates may vary by sector, so check with the UK government website or your employer for precise timelines. The sooner you start preparing, the better. Let's walk through the application process. Step 1. First, ensure you have a job offer or sponsorship from a licensed UK employer. Confirm job offer or sponsorship. There are a lot of solicitors or consultants available in the market to assist, or you may search and apply directly to employers. Step 2. Gather required documents. Gather your documents such as a passport, job offer letter, proof of funds, and any necessary health test results. Based on a conversation with solicitors or employer, submit all required documents to initiate next process. Step 3. Complete the online application. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. Step 5. Book a visa center appointment. You may complete the online application. Schedule an appointment at your nearest UK visa center where you'll submit your biometric information. In most of the cases, employer will complete application process. Step 6. Submit biometric information. Once all above process are completed successfully, biometric appointment will be scheduled in your country to complete the process. Finally, wait for your visa decision. Nine. What jobs are available? So, what types of jobs can you expect with the seasonal worker visa? Most roles are in agriculture and horticulture, like picking and packing fruits and vegetables, planting flowers, and handling poultry during certain seasons. These jobs can be physically demanding and require outdoor work, but they provide a unique experience in the UK's seasonal industries. And that covers the key points about the UK seasonal worker visa for 2025. This visa offers a great opportunity for short-term work and income while supporting essential industries in the UK. If this interests you, be sure to check the application dates and start preparing early. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on work and travel opportunities worldwide. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.